Guys, in the previous video we seen example on the predefined exception. Now in this video we see what is meant by the predefined exception. Now see, predefined exception means the exception name and the code is already defined by the oracle. Now non-predefined exception means what? I don't know the name of the exception, but I can get the code of that exception. Okay, now see, how can I get the code of that exception? Now suppose, see, let's create one procedure. Suppose my file name is non-predefined. Clear? This is my file name. Now let's create one procedure. Create or replace procedure. Suppose non-predefined. This is my procedure name. Okay. Declaration part, executable part starts, and then suppose fire one delete statement, delete from employees. Suppose delete from, let's fire a departments, okay, where department underscore ID equal to 20. Okay, department underscore ID equal to suppose 20. Okay, this is my delete statement, end of your procedure. Then show error. Clear? Set server output on. Now compile it. Okay, compile and execute non-predefined. At that time it display that one error message, that integrity constraint violated, child record found. Means see, foreign key, the error is on the foreign key. Why? Because see, departments is a parent table and some child table which depend on that parent table. Okay, so when I am trying to delete such row which have some dependency, at that time such error encounters. Okay, so I know the error message, but I don't know the name of that error message. So how we manage it? See, here is a one code which defined by the oracle. Okay, so when I know the code, so can I pass the name to that code? Yes, I can pass. So how? Let's see. So these are the non-predefined exception. Means the code is defined by the oracle, but I don't know the name of that exception. Okay, so how we pass the name? So see, into your declaration part, first declare one variable. Suppose my variable name is invalid exception. This is my variable name. And then what is the data type? My data type is exception. When you are trying to pass one name to that error code, then always declare one variable which have the data type exception. Clear? And then there is a one functionality provided by the oracle, and the name of that functionality is pragma. Name of that functionality is pragma exception underscore init. So why we use, with the help of that pragma exception init, we pass the name to that code. Okay, now what is my code? My code is ora minus 02292. Okay, so I want to pass the name to that exception. So how I pass? With the help of that pragma exception init. Now my exception name is invalid underscore exception, comma. Now what is my code? My code is 02292. Okay, 02292. This is my code. Clear? So with the help of that pragma exception, I pass the name, this name to that code. Clear? So how we manage it? Now I have the name of that exception. So how I manage it? Into the exception section, when invalid exception, then the action, and my action is anything, any DBMS statement, otherwise any update, any delete, any action, okay, you can take into your exception section. So suppose my DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line, and then suppose display one message that child record available. Okay, this is my message. Now see, now compile and execute. At that time, no abnormal termination of your PLSQL block. It's simply display one message that child record available. So this is how we manage the non-predefined exception. Clear? Now non-predefined exception means the code defined by the Oracle, but the exception which do not have any kind of name. So such at that time we manage such type of exception with non-predefined pragma exception in it. Simple pass the name to that code raised by your Oracle. Clear? So this is one simple example of non-predefined exception. Clear? Thank you.